Dear users, we're pleased to introduce a product of the new era in the Ultima ecosystem, the Ultima trading platform. This platform offers automated trade bots designed for spot trading in the Ultima USDT pair on various cryptocurrency exchanges. In this guide, we'll explain how the trade bot works, using the MEXC cryptocurrency exchange as an example, how Ultima trading works. To start getting profit, you need to purchase a license and connect your exchange account to the bot. It will trade based on preset algorithms and generate profit for you. To get started, you'll need to create an account on the exchange and fund it. Each Ultima bot license has a maximum profit limit that the bot can generate. Step 1. Purchasing a license. Log in to the Ultima trading platform. On the left, you'll see a button labeled How It Works, which provides information on how the platform functions. Go to the My Trade Bots section. There, you'll find detailed information about the platform, and below, the licenses available for purchase. The licenses vary in price and the percentage of profit the bot will generate before completing its cycle. Additionally, each bot includes a recommended deposit amount for the exchange. To purchase a license, click the Purchase button. A payment method selection window will appear. Choose your preferred payment option. In this example, we'll demonstrate the USDT freezing payment method. To proceed with payment, check the box confirming that you agree to the payment terms and click Purchase. A window will open where you'll need to enter your Ultima wallet address on the Ultima chain network for unfreezing. After 3 years, you'll be able to request your frozen Ultima coins back. Enter your wallet address, check the box confirming your agreement with the terms, and click Confirm Purchase. Next, you'll see a window with a USDT TRC20 address where you must send your USDT tokens. Send the specified amount. Once the payment is successful, you'll see a confirmation message. After that, an equivalent amount of Ultima coins will be frozen in your smart wallet, which will become available for unfreezing in 3 years. Step 2. Funding your balance on the cryptocurrency exchange. To activate the bot, you must fund your exchange balance with the recommended amount. For maximum performance, we recommend depositing an amount 10 times greater than the cost of your license. Also, please note, the bot will use the entire balance of your MEXC account, not just the amount needed to operate. This is important. The bot does not generate profits out of thin air. It uses your funds to trade. Example, if you purchased a license for €220, you must have at least €220 in USDT on your exchange balance. You can top up your balance at any time after purchasing the license. Again, to ensure maximum performance, we recommend funding your exchange account with an amount 10 times the license cost. You can upgrade your license to a higher one, but only for a bot that hasn't completed its work. Important, after upgrading your license, your MEXC balance must be topped up to cover both the previously purchased license and the new one. Example, if you upgrade from a €220 license to an €11,000 license, your MEXC balance must now be €11,220 in USDT. After upgrading your license, you must reactivate the bot. Each bot has a profit limit. Once it is reached, the bot automatically stops trading. However, you can always view the statistics of bots that have completed their work to evaluate the results. Step 3. Activating the license and connecting your exchange account to the bot. The next step after purchasing your license is to activate your bot. To do this, click the Activate Bot button on the screen. If you didn't activate the bot immediately after purchase, you can do it any time later in the My Trade Bots section or through the dashboard. You'll see the bot activation window. Copy the IP address from the last line. Now you must connect your exchange account to the bot. We'll show you how to do it using the MEXC exchange as an example. Follow these steps. Log into your account. Go to your account on the official MEXC website. Make sure your MEXC account is funded with the amount required for the bot's operation and that two-factor authentication is enabled. Top up your balance if necessary. The required funding amount is indicated in your license. go to the API Management section, hover over your avatar in the top right corner and select API Management from the menu. Create API keys, access key and secret key. Important, before creating your keys, make sure you have enabled two-factor authentication in your account. To create your keys, set the permissions for the API key in the Spot section. View account details. View order details. Trade. Add a name for the key in the Notes field. Paste the required IP address you copied earlier. Click Create and complete the two-factor authentication. You will see a message confirming that the keys have been successfully created. Access key and secret key. You will need both keys for integration. Copy and save the access key and secret key. Please note, the secret key is displayed only once by the exchange, so it's important to save it securely. The access key will always be available below in the My API Keys section. Important. Never share your keys with others, as they give full access to your account. Don't store your keys in public repositories or on open websites. If you lose your keys or suspect they are compromised, delete them immediately and create new ones. Connect the trading pair. Link the Ultima/USDT trading pair. To do this, go to the My API Key section in your Exchange account. Find the newly created access key, using the name you set earlier. Click Set and select the Ultima USDT pair in the pop-up window. Make sure you select only one pair. Return to the Ultima Trading website, go to the My Trade Bots section, and paste your saved keys into the corresponding fields: access key field, secret key field. Then click Save Data. After saving your keys, click Integrate. That's it. Your bot has been successfully activated. You'll see a push notification confirming it. Step 4. Managing and analyzing the bot's performance. Make sure you are in the My Trade Bots section. Here you'll find detailed information about your bot. License performance, the percentage of profit your bot will generate. Profit in USDT, the amount of USDT profit you will get by the end of the bot cycle. Needed deposit in USDT, the minimum deposit needed for the bot to operate correctly. Note that you can only connect the bot if your account on the MEXC crypto exchange is funded. If the account is not funded, the system will not allow you to connect it. Once the bot is activated, it will start working immediately. You will also get access to the dashboard, the bot management page. To go to this page, click the dashboard button on the My Trade Bots page. In the dashboard on the Trade Statistics widget, you'll find the following information: the exchange where the bot is currently trading, exchange balance in Ultima and USDT, profit in USDT, daily, weekly, and monthly, number of open and closed orders handled by the bot, current license, its performance, and the remaining percentage of profit before the license completes its work. You'll find a widget showing your exchange balance. This widget displays the minimum, optimal, and most profitable balance levels for your exchange account. Reminder: the higher your exchange balance, the greater your bot's profit potential. We recommend funding your exchange account with an amount several times higher than the recommended minimum for each license. On the right side, you'll find a widget showing the top 100 most profitable bots for different periods: day, week, and month. Further down, you'll see a real-time Ultima USDT chart. In the Trading Orders section, you can view the entire history of trades made by the bot. Trade ID, the trade's unique number. Buy, time and purchase price. Sell, sale time and the size of the sell order. Ultima, quantity of Ultima purchased. USDT, amount of USDT spent on purchasing Ultima. Status, status of the trade. Profit, how much profit the bot makes on the trade. The bot uses several advanced strategies and works across them simultaneously to effectively adapt to different market conditions. Bot activation and deactivation. The bot will continue operating until it achieves the declared profit. You can stop or activate the bot at any time in the My Trade Bots section, or at the top of the screen on the license dashboard page. However, you can pause the bot by clicking the Pause Bot button. Bot upgrade. The bot's license will automatically upgrade once the target value is reached. You can also purchase an unlimited number of licenses. You can check the required turnover and the status of your license in the Bot Licenses section. Automatic upgrades occur at the following turnover milestones: 1,100 euros, medium license, 5,500 euros, pro license, and 11,000 euros, master license. Please note that an upgrade to the basic license for 550 euros is not available. After 110 euros, the next turnover milestone is 1,100 euros. In this guide, we have explained how the Ultima trading bot operates. If you have any further questions, you can always contact our support team.